Hey, Bricksters and Lego friends, I am here with a haul. Yes, an unexpected haul at that. Just dropped over to Toys R Us just to see what was going on. And Walmart, of course. And we found a couple things. The $19.99 Mega Constructs Inventions bag, which has 402 pieces, and with all kinds of really cool colors like the aquas and the blues and the oranges and the yellows. And it was on sale for half price, $9.98. So, that was a well worth picking that up because it's some real cool parts in there. And also on sale, I was able to pick up 2 of the Inventions pack, of the Undersea Coral. I've done one of these as a live build before, and I decided to get a couple more. So that gives me, I think 4 in total, and build a nice little coral reef to go down with the SpongeBob and the Ariel part of the display. So I think that'll look really cool. And once again, these were on for $2.98, on sale from $6, so half price once again. And we were over to Walmart, and we were able to find this cool little critter, the Lego Minecraft Steve and Creeper set poly bag, and that was $4.86 at Walmart, so that wasn't too bad. Still a little bit pricey. That's what all the poly bags seem to be around here right now, so it is what it is. There's the creepy creeper sticking right out the middle with the backside of Steve. His back. And then I found these, which I didn't see before. They are the Lego Friends 30409 polybag set of bumper cars. Now, this is kind of unique because I'm going to use these definitely in amusement park display. But it looks like the Joker car that was a little while ago type of design, not sure. But that looks really neat, and it comes with a mini bumper car as well, with a little kitty cat or a dog or something on there. I think it's a cat. So what I did was I picked up 4 of them because that's going to actually make the whole bumper car arena. And the whole thing was of the bumper cars. I never had bumper cars or even bothered to build any to make a bumper car arena, and they are in all amusement parks, so we got to fit one of them in somewhere too. And I just have an idea that my old ice hockey rink that I had built, which is motorized for the hockey players to go around, I may actually scrap that as a hockey rink and make it into a bumper car arena, because all the gears, gizmos, and magnets and everything is underneath it, and it's all built. So it might need a little bit of work, but it might go from the hockey into the bumper cars. We'll just wait and see. If not, we'll just make a fake arena and stick these guys in. It'll look pretty cool either way. So that is sort of the mini haul that we got today, and that's about it. It's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.